Metal welded projects are an excellent way to add a touch of industrial and the rustic charm to your home decor. These projects are simple to make, require basic welding knowledge and skills, making them accessible to both seasoned welder and those new to the craft. One of the most appealing aspects of welded metal projects is their beauty in their simplicity. The clean lines and the raw materials create a timeless aesthetic that can complement a variety of home decor style. Whether you prefer a wooden or a vintage look, there are many meal with a metal project that can fit seamlessly into your design scheme. You can create a set of simple metal shelves to display your favorite book or the decor item. To make these shelves, you will need metal sheet, angle rod, and the welding equipment. Cut the metal sheet to size and weld them to the angle iron to create a sturdy frame. Finish the shelves with a coat of paint or leave them unfinished for more raw and the industrial look. Another popular mill welded project, a set of metal art. You can create a unique piece by cutting a welding different shapes and size of metal piece together. You can also add color and texture to your wall art by using patina solution or other finishes. Metal welded furniture is another great way to incorporate this style into your home decor. You can create a simple metal coffee table or end table by welding metal, dubbing finish this table with glass and wood top to the more polished. When it comes to the other home decor, welding projects are simply an effective way to add a touch of industrial rustic to your home decor. Their beauty lines in their simplicity and raw material, which can more prominent a variety of design style. Whether you are a seasoned welder or a new to a crafter, metal welded projects that can you make add a unique and personalized touch to your home decor. Welding can be a rewarding and a useful skill to learn. Here are some steps to get started. There are several types of welding including TIG, MIG, TIG, stick flux, cord welding. Each has its unique feature and advantages and can be researched them to determine which suit for your best. Welding involves working with high temperature spark and fumes, so it's essential to appropriate welding equipment to wear, and it's find a welding classes. Consider enrolling in a welding class as a community college or a national school. This will give you a hand-on experience and training and the opportunities to learn from their experience. Welding is a skill that takes time and practice to master. Start by practicing on a scrap metal and getting comfortable with your welding machine and the techniques. Once you have the basic down, start with a simple welding project, considering a small table, a bookshelf, or a piece of wall art. Joining a welding community can provide support, inspiration, guide, and you can find communities online and through local welding project. Remember that it can be dangerous if done incorrectly, so always prioritize safeties and follow the proper welding procedures. Welding is a fruitful occupation for several reasons. Welding is are in high demand in many industrial, including construction, manufacturing, and the automotive. As a welder, you may have a job opportunities in variety of field and the locations. Welding can earn good salaries, especially if they specialize in particular type of welding or work in high-paying industries. The Bureau of Labor Statistics reported that the median annual wage for welder, cutter, solder, and the brazier as a 400 as of May 2020. With experience and the additional training, welding can once is a supervisory and the managerial roles. Some may have started their own welding business. Welding can be a creative outlet, allowing you to use your skill to create art, sculpture, furniture, and the other unique item. Welding is a skill that is always in demand, making it a relatively stable career. Welding have a future occupation, a fruitful occupation that offer a variety of opportunities for personal, professional growth as well as financial stabilities. Getting ideas can be a challenging, but there are some strategies you can use. Start by writing down everything come in mind without worrying about its ideas or not. Use a mind map or the brainstorming techniques to capture your welding ideas. Seek out source of inspiration such as book, article, podcast, movies, art, natures, videos. Consider exploring topics of your related welding material field and you have a curious about the passionate about it. Work with other, generate ideas, brainstorm with friend, colleague, and professional experts. Consider joining a group of attending workshop related to your interest as like welding. Keep in journal, write down your thoughts and observation regularly in a journal. Review your note periodically to see if any ideas emerge. Sometimes stepping away from problem can help you to generate fresh ideas. Take a walk, meditate, or do something else that relaxes your mind. Ask yourself questions related to your topics, problems, such as what if, or it might be. This type of question can stimulate creative thinking and generate the ideas. Remember that getting ideas in process and not every idea will be a good if it's essential to be generated and the willing explore new possibilities with persistence and creativity you can create your innovative and expecting exciting ideas by brainstorming and use your abilities. Welding involves working with high temperature, bright light, spark, fume, which can pose significant safety risks. Of welded, it's crucial to wear appropriate personal protective gear to protect yourself while welding. Here are some essential safety gears. First one is welding helmet, welding gloves, welding jacket, respirator, welding boots, and the welding apron, and the earplugs and ear fumes. Welding process loud noise that can damage your hearing, so wearing earplug and ear fume is essential to protect your ears. Welding apron you can provide additional coverage to your lower body, protecting you while heat and the sparks. Welding boots are made of heat resistant material and provide foot and the ankle protection. A welding person can provide additional coverage to your lower body. A respirator with a filler can protect you from inhaling harmful fume and practical procedure during welding. A welding jacket provides coverage to your torsos, necks, and the arms, protecting you from heat, spark, and the flames. Welding gloves provide protection of your hand and wrist from hot metal, spark, and UV radiations. Welding helmet is provide a protection to your head, face, eyes, and neck from flying debris. sparks, instant light procedure during the metal welding. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching our video. Your response regarding my channel is so phenomenal. I'm very thankful to all of you for inspiring us. So keep watching and keep subscribing our channels. Thank you so much. We are going to upload welding and the design and craft woodcraft as daily basis.